how there is going to be a proposed school fee hike in private schools and the parents are not really liking it. A fresh academic year is around the corner, but in Karnataka it's also bringing back a familiar battle of school fee hike. For thousands of families in Bengaluru and across Karnataka, the new school year is becoming more and more expensive. Private schools across the state are planning fee hikes of 5 to 8%, with some budget schools proposing increases of up to 12%, that is far higher than the 2 to 4% hike seen in previous years. Parents say their household budgets are already stretched by inflation and this is an uncertain job market, and now they are demanding government intervention to stop what they call arbitrary and frequent fee hikes. Private school management says rising operational costs, staff salaries, electricity, water charges and declining enrollment are forcing them to revise the fees. But the parents argue that the hikes are unscientific and lack transparency. Many fear that transport, extracurricular and development charges could also rise sharply, pushing education costs even higher. Parent groups say this directly affects the right to education, which they argue must remain accessible and affordable for everybody. With nearly 19,000 private schools in Karnataka, activists say the absence of a clear fee regulation law is creating a regulatory vacuum that schools are now exploiting. Parents urge the Karnataka government to bring in a transparent fee regulation framework similar to what has been proposed in Delhi. Now, what happens in Delhi? Well, a school fee regulation model that proposes a committee that includes school management, government representatives and parents to review and approve any fee hike. Supporters say such a system could bring accountability and balance, allowing schools to recover costs while giving parents a voice. But private school associations in Karnataka are opposing. They say fee decisions should remain the management's discretion and argue that parents' participation could violate legal principles laid down in past court rulings. With education costs rising and household budgets under pressure, there is a big question now looming large. Will Karnataka follow Delhi's model to regulate school fees? Or will parents continue to fight and perhaps cough up the hike in the fee? D. Shashikumar, educationist and General Secretary CAMS in Karnataka, has joined us, and Chidananda, who is a member of Parents Coordination Committee, Bengaluru, he is also joined us. Thank you so much. We are also joined by Advocate Anubha Srivastav Sahai, President of India White Parent Association. A very, very warm welcome to all of you. Anubha is my old friend. Anubha, as in, we've done a lot of discussions on NEET, on education. Anubha, it's different strokes for different folks. If you look at what Tamil Nadu does, it's different. Delhi, we just said there is a regulatory committee. It's different in Maharashtra. It is only in Karnataka, and my friend Shashi will bear me out. It is because of TM Pai committee. Am I right? Whatever little I know about this subject, they said that the private schools have a right to increase the fee. Anubha Srivastav, the thing is, it is not just a flat fee increase of, let us say, chalo 15% nahi lete hain, 8 tak lete hain. But apart from everything else, it's going to also increase what is called developmental fee. I've never understood what that is, school fee, etc., etc. How fair is that, Anubha?
Thank you, Sudhaji, for having me on the show. And it's a very serious topic on which we have been fighting since more than 1 decade now, almost 10 years. And as far as Karnataka is concerned, not a new thing. Previously, my parents are fighting since last many years, and till now they have not come up with any regulatory framework, proper regulatory framework. And they cannot say that schools, parents cannot intervene or government cannot intervene. We have all the right to decide the fees. We have a model in Gujarat also. There's a very good model which is being approved by Honorable Supreme Court.
Right.
Gujarati model. And the latest fee regulatory framework in Delhi also is now under that will be passed very soon. And in Karnataka, I don't know what is the problem with the government authorities, why they are not auditing the schools, why they are not implementing RT Act.
According to you, Anubha, what is a fair raise? Is it 10%, 12%, 15%?
If you want to rise fees, you have to justify. You justify that this is our hike. They need to justify. They're not showing their balance sheets. They're not submitting their audit accounts with the education department. Many RTIs have been done by parents, and the parents have been told that we have no data in education department. So I don't know what is happening in Karnataka. The
Right.
schools are raising fees. You have all the right to raise the fees.
Yes.
You hike the fees, but you have to justify it. You cannot say that we will increase 5% or we will increase 10%, whatever fee you are increasing. You need to justify
All right.
and then get it
So,
approved.
yeah, so what
So
Anubha is saying is that there is no method to this madness. It seems like it's very arbit, as it were. Chidananda, you are a
Yes,
member
ma'am.
of Parents Coordination Committee. What is your objection? Is your objection that there should be no rise at all in fee, or you're saying the manner in which it is being done? Some parents are scared. Forget 12, it could go to 15%. Chidananda, your turn.
Hope that I am audible. I
You are,
think you
sir,
people can
very
listen me.
much.
Yeah. Yeah. Sudhaji ma'am, thank you for this program. First of all, fees hike. I am not shocked at all because I don't want to call it a hike. It is a looting from last several years. Okay, the private school managements are looting us. Okay, without any proper reason from several years. First of all, they will talk all the things. All the electricities are high. We have a lot of expensive. We have to increase the teacher fees. If you go and see, what Anubhav ma'am is clearly mentioned that, first of all, 99% of the school, they don't have PTA, parents teacher associations. Even TMFI, if you go and see any law or any books, any 1983 Education Act, they clearly mentioned there should be a PTA, and how many percentage of parents should be involved on that, how many percent of management people will be there, how many percent of teachers are there. You believe it or not, 99% single meeting they never do this. Okay, and if it's a parents teacher association also, it is there. It is selected, not elected. Okay, that's why I'm clearly telling that this fees hike we are seeing from last several years. Okay, I believe it or not, we approached almost all the governments, whatever you will call JCB in Karnataka, Janata Dal or BJP or Congress. Okay, whichever minister, whichever MLA, whichever MLC, if you take, they have there not one or two, 10 to 15 schools, and directly,
All right.
indirectly, they are invested.
I heard
And
you.
see, I'm telling you, I'm very clearly telling this hike, I don't want to call hike, is looting parents is continuing. That's all.
All right, Shashi Kumar, you know, you have to defend yourself between two people, and I'm sure you will. First of all, unlike Delhi, I beg your pardon, whether Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, you don't have parents' participation at all. And I've been reading you, I read you very closely, and you say we have the TMPI committee, which I think has said that it is the prerogative of a private school to increase the fee. What is this, Shashi? Where you don't have parents. You have always said, Sudha, no consensus, government never calls us, we are also stakeholders, but you do the same thing to parents. How fair is that?
It's absolutely whatever you are saying might be with some exception schools. Whatever these peoples are prejudiciously putting it across is entirely not acceptable. Second point is, Sudha, see, we are talking about most budget school who charge between 10,000 to 20, 30, 40,000, which are more than 95%, which serve the society lesser than the per child expenditure of the government. Number one. Number two, we are not talking about the schools. You have all rights. Parents have all voice to question them. Regulatory lies with the government. We have no dispute with that. But in the name of regulatory, even in Karnataka, they were rigidly fixing. Please understand, rigidly fixing someone trying to fix. You are supposed to take and charge only this is not their right. And I am talking about TMAPI judgment. It is not only TMAPI judgment. Even in Karnataka, High Court has quashed the regulations, Section 48. Please to note this. It is a High Court and Supreme Court, they have quashed it. When you talk about Tamil Nadu also has a stay. Maharashtra, a different thing. Delhi, there is arguments going on. Let us not talk about that. But my submission is, yes, year on year, every teacher is paid little hike. Every things in system is commercialized. This year, electricity has been separately mentioned as private unaided school, and they are charging huge money for the same service. PWD, water charges. Believe it, if you don't have OC, most of the 95% schools, government and private, doesn't have OC. The old schools, they are being penalized for 10 times every month, and huge, not just 1,000,
But what, no,
2,000,
but is there a
20,000,
number?
30,000.
No, what Chidananda is saying and what also, what is the rationale? It's not tomato, no. Today you will sell it
is
to me
what-
for
one
40
minute,
rupees
Sudha.
kg.
No
Tomorrow
way.
you will sell it to me
See.
for 60 rupees kg.
No, no,
I
we
to
have
eat.
law for
Any
tomato
teacher-
very
any
well in
teacher
our
would
state.
definitely
We
be
can
Chidananda
have
is
fixed
saying
rates for the
something.
tomato, not for the education.
You can't say that.
Not for the
And it
education.
lies with the teachers are not available
Anubha,
now.
come
You
in,
have
Anubha.
to pay
Anubha, come in.
because
Yeah, see,
you have to
Mr.
pay
Shashi,
in
I would like
everything.
to
You
highlight
can
few
tell
points.
whatever you
Mr.
want,
Shashi,
but the ground reality is different.
ground reality, let me explain you, sir. Let me tell
No,
you.
better than you,
You were
I know.
talking about
No,
one
no,
thing.
no.
You were
You
talking
people
about
can
Let
sit
her
and
speak.
talk.
Sir,
We
you
know
Shashi,
were
the
wait,
talking
Shashi.
about
ground
Shashi,
reality.
Shashi, let Anubha
You
speak.
can't say the
Let
ground
me,
reality
please,
because
Mr.
you
Shashi
seem
ji, please
cosmetic.
hear me out.
Sudha, I don't
Hear
accept.
me
Ground
out. I am a
reality,
parent. Please
you
hear
people
me out.
can't know.
What I am saying, you're talking about TMFI judgment. Why TMFI is not being implemented in Karnataka? Why it is implemented in Gujarat? You're saying you
Based
went
on
to
that,
the matter went to
the
Supreme
case
Court.
is being passed.
Supreme Court has
Please,
given some
if you
instruction under
understand TMFI
TMFI.
judgment, please talk. If you
Uh, I-
people don't understand what is the judgment, what is
Judgment
the
is very clear.
happening
You
in
cannot charge
court order,
capitation fee
better
and
don't talk
profiteering
about
is
it.
not
You are not
allowed.
valid.
TMFI is very much
Might be
clear.
they're
You
not
cannot
ready at
charge
all.
capitation
No, no,
fee.
but the
Profiteering
word,
is not allowed.
Anubha
Okay,
said
that is
the
a very clear
crucial
stand.
operational word is
How
profiteering.
come Gujarat government has a
Yes.
model which is
No
being approved
school
by
should
Supreme Court? Why
profit
Karnataka
or
has no
commercialize.
model which
We
is
are
not
not
approved by
talking
Supreme
about those
Court?
schools.
No,
Profiting,
your budget school
commercialization,
also,
even
be
we
it
will
budget
condemn,
school or
Sudha.
be it any
Even we
school,
will
sir.
condemn.
Be it budget school
What
or be
I
it any school, you are the government.
okay, panel. I understand as one thing that it is
Be it budget
random.
school.
It is random. Maybe the hands of the private school owners are also tied. But Chidananda, one thing which and correct me if I am wrong. Most of these private schools are, owned by politicians and very powerful people.
No, Sudha, it is only 2%. Please, all these are
Sudha ji, I
2%.
am
only
clearly
2%.
telling
These
2% you
people
have
are
the data,
liars.
sir.
They
whatever
only
he's
put it
telling,
across.
that
All
is
right, let
direct
Chidananda
investment.
Chidananda on the
Indirect
screen.
Only 2% of
indirect
the
Chidananda on the
investment.
screen.
Yeah.
They
Thank
have
you.
huge
Okay, what
investment in
about
private school management. Huge investment in
Today
the
you
private school
spend 30
management.
crore.
And Sudhaji,
Sudha,
okay, I'll give you
for
the
school to
one
open 30
straightforward
crores.
example. You can go right now and check it in the system. You believe it or not, in 2024 and 25, total 1,768 schools are opened in the Karnataka. Private
All
schools, I'm
politicians
talking.
opened.
How they are
All
coming now?
politicians
Why they are
opened.
coming now?
Don't
Here,
tell
if you
that
go and
lies.
see, government school are
Don't
closing one by
confuse the
one,
people of this
and
country.
1,768 schools are approved in last 2 years. Why they are
No,
investing
all
here
those are
then? They are
politicians.
telling it's very expensive. We have electricity bill. We have BWSSP. Keep on. You believe, ma'am? If you go and check the data, every year there are some 1,800 to 2,000 applications are coming to education department. Okay, and there are
Even we are objecting
1,700 schools
that
are approved
because
in
of
last 2
supply chain
years.
more,
And if you go
the
and see
partial
how the
expenditure
education
directly
department is
increases.
corrupted. Simple example.
I
If
agree
you
with that.
there is a one of the
Department is
BD
corrupted and they are giving out
No,
permission.
quickly, I
Even
have
that
to go
is
to
wrong.
Shashi now. Chidanand, quickly.
subordinators,
Sudha,
they are
Sudha.
taking
Wait,
this
Shashi,
login
I'm
and
coming
they are
to you.
approved
Shashi,
58
wait, ma.
schools.
Huh. Go
58
ahead.
schools they are approved. Okay, this is what corruption level in the government of
All right,
Karnataka.
you made your
How
point.
education
Sir, you
department
made your
is
point.
working.
Sir, you made your
And
point.
if you go and see,
Sir,
if you go and see, every
you
year,
made your point. Shashi, you're a parent yourself and you understand.
I agree, Sudha. One
I-
minute.
no, wait.
See, whatever that
The
gentleman
inflation
has said,
is skyrocketing, the job market is terrible. If I have two
Yes.
children, 10%, where will I go? It is not, for fees I will go.
what
But
should I do?
school
What
fee-
should we do? My simple question is, will the all other department except air is free in Karnataka? Everything has been commercialized. Number two, whatever he said, thousands of
go to
schools
the
are being
government,
supplied.
talk to Bangarappa.
No, 1 minute.
Let Madhu
One
say.
minute, 1 minute.
No,
Sudha.
Anubha,
One
come in.
submission.
Madhu, I
One
want
submission.
Anubha's view
One
also here.
submission.
Anubha.
Valid submission. One
Mr.
submission,
Shashi,
please.
why you have an association? You have an association of thousands of
The
schools.
supply
Why
chain
you're
has
not
been
going and
given
meeting
more.
the education minister? Why you're not going and meeting the chief minister? Whatever issues you're facing. Why are you
We
saying
are
you
saying
have an association
everything
of
we have
thousands of
done.
schools?
If you
You
don't
are
know, please keep.
it's a
Madam
big
Anubhav,
association.
madam,
If you
you
Still, you are
don't
don't
not
know,
checking
meeting.
in
keep
the
me
education
off.
department.
I don't need
Even
your recommendation.
RR
We have done
recognizes
You should
everything.
meet
everything.
the
They
I
they
don't
government.
are
need
working
your
on. See,
recommendation.
they
If
are working
We
government
know
towards
is
to
everything.
not
We are
to do
doing
all the
it.
cheating.
No government. Government has no money, so they are also making us middleman. Please,
how can you
I
say that
have a
government has no
dispute.
money? How can you
Is
say
this
That
that
is
a
government has
completely
no
wrong.
money?
That is completely
RT
you don't
wrong.
know
fund
the
comes from
Completely
statistics
wrong.
of
central
government?
government.
Wrong
Let me
No
tell
statement.
one
you,
can
sir.
hear
Wrong
anything.
statement.
RT
This kind of
Sudaji, RT
Huh.
fund comes from central government. Let me
Ji,
tell you,
ji.
RT fund comes from central government. The 25% EWS quota, which the
Don't
private
mix up
schools
the
keep on.
things. Forget about 25. Don't mix up
So,
things. It
no,
is
mix up.
immature.
I'm telling you, na, the fund comes from.
Immature.
You're
Okay,
saying government
Shashi,
has
make
no
your
Immature.
fund.
mature
Just now
point
you
then.
said
No,
government
make
has
it.
no
I will
fund.
please give, allow
Just now
me.
you, Mr. Shashi, said
Sudha,
government
allow
has no
me.
fund. How can you say government is getting
He's
money
just
from
I'm
simply
central
running
saying
out
and
government?
of time. Then
We
I'll
are
have
saying,
to
sir,
close the
you
show.
we
don't
have
Shashi, come
explain
in.
to
all the truth.
Chidananda,
RT
wait a minute.
money
Go ahead.
entirely
go and
different.
meet the government authorities.
No, see, we have done everything. My only submission is yes, supply chain is more, children's are less, directly proportionate with per child expenditure and all other components year on year that is increasing. So unwinnable, we have said don't exorbitantly or commercialize it. See case to case, see that if needed and 5, 8, whatever it is, you see to your thing and rise. That is what we have recommended them, we have suggested them. We are not blanketly telling them rise this much. It is not our duty also. We are saying when there are some people 20-30% who are charging, we condemn them, we say them that should not be done and you should rise very
All right.
honestly and whatever is required.
Sir,
Mr. Chidanand.
as a school management person, it is your responsibility also. You cannot say that it is not our duty. It is your responsibility. You're running a school. You're running a management. You have a group of
Madam, please
associations.
talk
So how can you
sensibly,
say it's not
madam.
your responsibility,
Please,
sir?
you are
Go and meet
talking
the
something.
authorities.
We have no
Chidananda,
authority to
last
tell
Yes,
word
ma'am.
to
Yes,
you
ma'am.
as a parent. Then I
do
close
it.
this
It's
show.
very shocking that this other states are making rules for fee regulation.
Okay,
They have a
Chidananda.
You
proper
should go and
committee.
Ma'am,
check with what
it's
is
Karnataka is
very,
not
the
very,
doing.
very
legal
clear
grounds on
statement
that.
here. I'll tell you, see, for these people, they are having their own MLCs and they have the
No,
minister also
you. It
having
is
8
not
to 9
your
schools
business
in
to
the
talk
state.
about it.
Okay,
Even you
so
people
so
have fooled us.
there is a no proper that entire system in education, nothing is working. That they are completely doing favor to the private school managements. There's a no doubt about
Simply, it
it,
is a
because if you go
blame
and
game
see
to
in the
that.
education
It's just they
education
want to
this
put
one
it
website
across
only,
their
they keep
thing and they
on
are telling
extending the new
this
school
is not. Nobody
registrations,
will come
RR
and support.
registrations.
It
Even
is, it is. There is no
this year they break
regulatory
the rules
framework in
also. If
Karnataka.
there is a no,
Why there is
if there is a no RR also, fine, we will extend the dates. Okay, the complete education department are surrendered to the private
Gentlemen,
school
don't mix
management,
up things. We are talking about fees.
including the minister
We
as
are
well,
fixing
and
age
clearly
old
giving the statement. So
trouble
these
things.
people
All
are
right,
very,
I have to close the
they're
show.
given the permit to
Well,
loot
this
to the
is
parents.
this is a
There's no
topic.
doubt about it.
This is a topic which is not going away. It's about our children, and I think, like Anubha says, we need to
Exactly.
sit across and talk about it. This is not to be taken politically. Anubha, thank you very much. Shashi, as
Thank
always.
you very much, ma'am.
Thank
Thanks for
you,
your
thank you,
program. Thanks. Good day.
Chidananda, for joining us on this show. Thank you indeed.